Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You open the Gmail app and tap Sign In. Enter your Google account email and password to get started. Once signed in, make sure to allow notifications so new messages arrive in real time. If you have multiple accounts, add them now by tapping your profile icon and selecting Add Another Account. This keeps everything accessible. You do this to centralize messages and avoid switching apps. It also lets Gmail fetch labels and settings immediately for a smoother experience. You swipe messages to archive or delete quickly. Press and hold a conversation to select multiple items. Once done, tap the three-line menu to open labels and folders. Apply or remove labels to organize mail. Use the search bar at the top for sender names, subject text, or keywords to find emails fast. When composing, tap the paperclip to attach files or the formatting icon to bold and add bullets. These steps make replies clear and maintain your inbox order. You finalize setup by adjusting sync frequency in settings so Gmail refreshes on your schedule. Go to Settings, pick the account, and set sync frequency. Make sure Undo Send is enabled so you can retract mistakes within the timeout period. If messages seem missing, check Spam and All Mail and confirm server sync is on. Sometimes toggling sync off and back on forces a fresh download. If issues persist, clear app cache or re-add the account to restore proper syncing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.